Our last junior contestant is Karin Yokota from Tatsuno J3P class. She goes to Tatsuno Nishi Junior High School. Karin, please come up.
Here I stand, one among many. I speak not for myself, but for those whose voices cannot be heard, those who have fought for their rights. On the 9th of October 2012, the Taliban shot me in the left side of my forehead. They shot my friends too. They thought that the bullet would silence us, but they failed. For out of that silence came thousands of voices. Dear sisters and brothers, I am not against anyone. Neither am I here to speak in terms of personal revenge against the Taliban or any other terrorist group. I am here to speak up for every child's right to education. Today, I'm focusing on women's rights and girls' education because they are suffering the most. There was a time when women social activists asked men to stand up for their rights. But this time, we will do it ourselves. We call upon world leaders to change their strategic policies in favor of peace and prosperity. Any policy that goes against the dignity of women and their rights is unacceptable. Furthermore, we call upon all governments to ensure free compulsory education all over the world for every child. We must believe in the power and the strength of our words. Our words can change the whole world. We are all together, united for the cause of education. If we want to achieve our goal, let us empower ourselves with the weapon of knowledge and shield ourselves with unity and togetherness. We must not forget that millions of people are suffering from poverty, injustice, and ignorance. We must not forget that millions of children are out of their schools. We must not forget that our sisters and brothers are waiting for a bright, peaceful future. Let us wage a global struggle against illiteracy, poverty, and terrorism. Let us pick up our books and pens, for they are our most powerful weapons. One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is the only solution. Education first. Thank you.